Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you enable Discord overlay on mobile. So first of all, just go to your Discord app. Now in the Discord app, if you're in any server, just click the top left, the three dash icon. Now just click the bottom last, your profile icon. Now from here, just scroll a bit. And in the app settings, just click the first one, voice. Again scroll from here, and here you can see overlay, enable mobile voice overlay. Just click it to turn it on, and that's how you can enable mobile voice overlay on Discord. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.